Mortar and pestle upgrade, part 3. I've showed you this one. It's short, it works, as you can see in our pan. Actually, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but I can see some shiny stuff in there. We also have this. This drill bit is meant for, I guess, making lines in concrete. I think that's what it says on Amazon. But yeah, you can get these. Now we're going to try this one. Let's see what this one does. And like I said, this is for people that do not have a K&M crusher and you're starting out. And especially load mines. We're not talking about placer. As you can see behind me, we do have placer stuff. We're load mining this year. We already have a load mine. Sometimes these are a little hard to get in. There we go. Now let's see how this one works. Like I said, you could do this out in the field easily. Okay. And you still have some more stuff to do. That one seems to work all right. I think I like the hammered one better. But we'll give it a try. That one works. I think it would work better with a little bit bigger ore than this stuff. This stuff's already been heated. Number 20, crossbar. Okay. Between the two bits, this one's better than this one. If you like that, enjoyed it, well, hit the button then and subscribe. Oh, what you are hearing over here and that, if she'll show it.
Oh.
That's our Falcon metal detector. We would highly suggest getting one of those.
Non-ferrous to it.
It will find the tiniest gold in your pan. See? If it goes to it and makes a noise, that might be silver, gold,
Or copper.
or copper.
Or
If it goes away from it, it's not anything that you need to deal with. It won't pay, like black sand, like everyone knows. Mason Mining out.